Yo, what's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel of Finance. You already know it's your boy, let's to the EGO. So basically, guys, on today's video, man, I'm just gonna keep it simple with a quick market update, guys, using my new strategy, bro. Hey, guys, you are not ready for this, but then otherwise, man, if you're new to this channel, please do me and yourself a favor by hitting that subscribe button and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new bang. Otherwise, let's get into it. So guys, have you ever heard of the term 70% of the time the market is ranging and 30% of the time obviously the market is trending? You understand me? So basically with the strategy, bro, it's gonna include the ranges, right? Because I realized a lot of people don't trade ranges, right? So the reason why I've been off so much on YouTube, I've been trying to master the strategy and just create something of my own right over here, of which is something I want to share with you guys right now. You understand me? So make sure, bro, like this video, man, and obviously comment, let me know what you think. You understand me? So guys, I'm just gonna keep it simple, man, with market update, of which I'm gonna analyze 30 pairs for you guys, which is gonna be gold, US30 and NES 100. You understand me? So let's start with gold, bro. Let's start with gold. So as you know, bro, we always start our analysis from the daily or the weekly time frame. I'm just gonna go on the weekly time frame just to see how price performed the previous week, right? So we just wanna get an understanding of what happened. You understand me? So obviously price is super bullish, but what happened this week, guys, is the fact that okay, price here gave us a the sellers took place because of this dodgy. The sellers took place, but then the buyers rejected those sells, and obviously you can see now prices continuing with the bullish move. So overall speaking, bro, we are bullish, right? So moving on to the daily time frame, bro. Daily time frame, what I like about the daily time frame is the fact that we had a engulfing candlestick which eventually pushed price up, and this is where the buyers actually took back its momentum. You understand me? So we can see that prices pretty much bullish, bro. Let's see if we can add anything of our own there and just try to just try to play around with it, bro. So okay, if I add trend lines, guys, if I add trend lines, let me do a full screen, bro. Hey, what's wrong? If I add trend lines, right, if I add trend lines, guys, we can see that okay, here we had ourselves a touch, 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 and even here we had ourselves a touch, right? So basically, guys, price rejected off this trend line quite a couple of times, showing us that this trend line has some significance in it, right? And obviously price, whenever it reaches there, it rejects. You understand? So there's really not much on the daily time frame that we can use for this coming week, right? But then we do know that price overall, we are bullish, meaning we are going to look forward for buying opportunities. You understand me? We never try to go against the trend, guys. I did that with CPI and I got burned. You understand me? So we never go against the trend, right? So now what I'm gonna do, guys, is just identify my key levels. You understand me? This is where the arranging strategy kicks in. You can see here, guys, we had this range structure. You understand? You can see we had this beautiful range structure right over here, of which we can obviously see that price rejected. Even here it rejected here, rejected here, it came above, retested, and this is why price went up. You understand me? And then if we just try to use trend lines one more time, guys, we can see that okay, with gold here we do have ourselves probably some sort of a breakup, right? So I'm just gonna keep it here. We do have ourselves some sort of a breakup, right? So for me to actually continue with these buys, guys, either the market has to give me a breakout here, retest, and obviously just continue with the buys, right? Or simply just retest from here, going to our trend line, or even back to here, right? And then from there, guys, this is where we can start looking for those buying opportunities. But then overall speaking, guys, on gold, I'm not gonna lie, we are going to look for buying opportunities. You understand me? So moving on to the 1 hour, let's see what's happening there. So on the 1 hour, we can see here the reason why price bought here is because of it touched our range structure and obviously gave us a nice engulfing candlestick, and this is where we actually took our buys, because I remember I sent a signal on gold based off this, right, having our TP right over there. But then we do not hold trades over the weekend because of the commissions and stuff, so we closed our trades, and now we're gonna wait for gold to just simply give us a retest on the trend line, right? And then from there we can start moving with our buys. But then you see how range markets, guys, they play a big role in our trading, right? So even here you can see that price was ranging. This is why I say 70% of the time, bro, the market is ranging, and obviously 30% of the time the market is obviously trending. You understand? So now this is what we having right over here. Let me see, like that. You can see even here, guys, price was ranging within these levels, gave us a breakout, retested, and here it gave us a nice bullish candlestick, which we would have gotten our signal right over here to go all the way to the top. You understand me? Like, guys, I can show you examples, but I don't want to keep this video too long, so I'll shoot a different video so you can see how specifically these range structures they work, right? So moving on to US 30. So on US 30, guys, I'm just gonna do the same thing, bro. You can see, bro, like, yo, we in this range thing, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, we in these range market things, you understand? So with US 30, I'm just gonna do the same thing, bro. Start my analysis on the weekly time frame, remove everything so we can see what's happening. You understand? What we can see is that price is clearly bullish. There's really nothing much for us to add on, other than the fact that price here, the sellers started taking place, but then the buyers rejected the market. You understand me? So other than that, bro, there's really nothing much for me to add on. Even on a daily time frame, you can see price is just extremely bullish. You understand me? So I'm just gonna move on to the 4-hour time frame. US 30 is gonna be quick, bro, because of the way the structure is. You understand me? So here we can see that we might actually have ourselves a ranging market. You actually saw it before I erased everything. We do have ourselves a ranging market right over here, right? So it's no secret, bro. Like, this is why I say 70% of the time the market is ranging, and then obviously 30% it's trending. As you can see, like, price here was trending, it started ranging. Like, it's been ranging here from September, bro. We're in October right now, but price has been within this range market. You understand me? So finally, bro, price gave us a breakout, but then not only that, you can take advantage on the breakouts, but you can also take advantage within the ranges. You can see here it gave us a fake out, came back, retested. We could have gotten our signal right over here to go short. You understand? Could have gotten our signal right over here to go short. You understand? So, like, guys, it's simple, bro. Like, with the range market, but then I'm telling you, I'm gonna do a whole video on it right now, guys. I just want to keep it simple with you guys. You understand me? I just want to keep it simple, bro. So US 30, bro, it's currently, yo, yeah, it's too far. You understand me? So what I'm gonna wait for, I can see that here price struggled a bit. This is where price rejected before it broke, right? So what I'm gonna wait for is actually for US 30 to come back on this level, guys. Like, just gonna wait for US 30 to come back on this level, give me those candlestick rejections, and then from there, obviously, I'm just gonna continue riding the wave. You understand me? And let me see if I can connect any trend lines. Maybe we might be lucky. You understand me? Okay, it's too far, but then we do know that we have this level right over here, of which I'm just gonna wait for price to come and retest so it can continue going to the upside. You understand me? But then this is simple, bro. Like, the ranging structure, even here you can see this is a range market, bro. This is a range market, and price broke it. Now it has to come and retest so it can continue going up. You understand me? So moving on to NAS 100, guys. Okay, everything is back to normal. So moving on to NAS 100, bro. NAS 100, we can see that the same thing with US 30. It's quite bullish, but the only difference here is that this is not the highest point of the market. Hence, we do have this point here as the highest point of the market, which we can say NAS 100 can go there and test this level before actually starting to reject. But what I like about the weekly time frame from NAS 100 is the fact that here we had ourselves a ranging market. You understand? We had ourselves a ranging market of a double bottom. You understand me, guys? Like, this is quite simple, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You can see that price was ranging here, gave us a nice double bottom breakout, probably a retest with these wicks, and then price now is currently shooting up. You understand me? So simple stuff, bro. With NAS 100, I just love the fact that it's not even that complicated. You understand me? But let me remove this for now and just see what's happening on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we can see here we have two double dojis. You understand me? I'm not gonna mark out any of these because they are not relevant for our current situations, but we do have these two double dojis of which price broke above this high, you understand me? So now it's currently retesting. I might actually expect NAS 100 to shoot all the way to the upside. Dodgy just means that price might be losing its momentum, but it doesn't mean that, you know, it's gonna reverse instantly, you understand me, guys? So this is what I'm saying. Let me just see. Okay, here we do see that we have this range structure because price is struggling to break above here, right? Price is really struggling to break above, and even here on the downside, guys, we do have ourselves this range structure right over here, you understand? So we could say that NAS 100 currently is in a range market. Why? Because of it's been ranging between these two levels, you understand me? So what would happen next is something of which we're gonna have to wait and see. You get what I'm saying, guys? But I do see the fact that, okay, let me go on the 1 hour so I can show you properly. On the 1 hour, what do we see, guys? Price has a range of its own, guys, you understand? Price has a range of its own. You can see that here price has been ranging between these two levels. So for me to enter NAS 100, guys, I'd enter NAS 100 on two occasions, right? Obviously, being that price breaks above here, give me a retest, and then I'll continue riding a wave of buyers, you understand me? But then with trends, guys, with trends, we can see that price is ranging, so there's no trends currently, you understand me? Or price can just simply come down here, retest, and then this is when I enter myself to go all the way to the downside. But otherwise, with NAS 100, guys, things are still neutral, guys. But then I do love the fact that on higher time frames we are currently bullish, you understand me? So price might actually favor that and break above retest and continue going up, considering the fact that here you can see we had ourselves impulses, price started ranging, and then impulse again, price is starting to range again, and then we might expect another impulse. It's a 1-2-3 step, guys, you understand me? So yeah, man, otherwise, man, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I will do another video on range markets, but then otherwise, guys, with the market update, let me know in the comments what you think about these pairs that I analyzed. How do you think they're gonna move, stuff like that, you understand me? And don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, guys, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, guys. It's your boy, Let's Hit the EGO, signing out.